Up first this evening, some teachers in one of the nation's largest education regions are angry as they have not been paid for over 3 months.
These are teachers who changed schools some months ago but have not been able to get their salaries despite repeated calls to the Education Ministry's Region 6 office. TVJ's Kalisha Williams has that report.
It was just 6 months ago that the Jamaica Teachers Association accepted the government's wage offer for a 16% increase for the 2017-2021 wage period after almost a year of deliberation. Fast forward to November, teachers are again putting their grouses to the government, this time over the non-payment of salaries to new teachers and some who recently changed schools within Region 6, which covers Clarendon and St. Catherine.
I was recently at a seminar where we had some teachers, over 200 new teachers. And most of us, when it was asked how many teachers did not get paid at that time, that was in October, most of us had not been paid for 2 months.
See, if we're given some word that this is a situation and processing may take some time, and so we prepare for it. But then we're not told anything.
And according to one high school teacher from Clarendon who wishes to remain unidentified, it's an issue which has been going on for decades in Region 6.
All we keep hearing are excuses after excuses after excuses. And what we hear most times from the ministry, region especially, is that it is the principal's fault. Even when the principals go ahead, collect our documents, prove to us that they have sent in the documents, because I personally had to replace documents that my principal sent to the Ministry of Education. We were called upon to resubmit because the ministry called back the school to say that those documents were lost.
She explained that documents notifying the ministry that they have moved to a new school were submitted from as early as July, and persons have had to wait until December to get their salaries.
As a nation, I think that something needs to be done. Teachers are the educators of the society, and every single profession starts from teaching. Okay? We have nurses. My nurse colleagues tell me they don't have to wait that long. They get a part of their salary for the first month, and by second month, they get their salaries.
After being quizzed by teachers at a meeting of the St. Catherine Teachers Association today, Regional Director for St. Catherine in the Education Ministry, Barrington Richardson, sought to address their concerns.
Talk about in terms of a teacher who would be new to the region but not new to education. We have to wait on that file from another region to get to us so we can process salaries. Sometimes that takes a little while to come to the new region.
And for others,
where we have new teachers to the system, that is not an issue because we create the files on spot and process for salaries. But there are different little nuances that we are trying to work through so that we can improve our efficiency.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.